Hey everybody, it's me, MystiqueSummers live in action for you, or DLSArtistry, because I'm probably posting this on my DLSArtistry page, also on Instagram. Make sure you follow this. This is like my first product review, unboxing in like, I don't know how many years, y'all. Y'all see I'm blonde now and all that good stuff, but I'm back live in action for you like always. So pretty much, so today I got my BoxyCharm. This video is sponsored by BoxyCharm. They sent me this to, tell y'all a lot about it. Make sure y'all sign up for it. As you can see, my P.O. box on there, unsealed. It's completely sealed. So normally in my videos I ramble. I'm gonna try not to ramble and keep this nice, short, and sweet so we can see what I got in this box. Right. So like I said, it is completely sealed. Right, completely sealed. So let's open this up. And let's see what type of goodies is for this month. Since this month is like halfway over. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so I'll open it up. So this one is called BoxyCharm Fantasy. Fantasy. Okay. So, always. So this is, again, sponsored by BoxyCharm. This is, well, hold on. BoxyCharm gave me this product to try and gifted by BoxyCharm. Again, BoxyCharm is gifted. As you can see, BoxyCharm, at BoxyCharm, hashtag BoxyCharm. But let's see what's in here. Let's see. Let's grab this first. Okay, so what I got first is the Pharmacy Green Whips Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. Let's see, there we go. Good old foaming cleanser. Let's see what this package looks like. So, it retails for $28. I'm going to try this tonight. So, apply daily, AM to PM to wet skin and massage it to face, neck, and circular motion. Always avoid your eyes. Ugh. Always. You have to always avoid your eyes. So, you rinse with water, pat dry, may be used as a second cleanser following the Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So this is an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oils, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH-balanced formula helps clean pores, surface oil, and residue. This creamy formula is infused with sodium PCA to help replenish skin hydration, ideal for combination and oily skin. That's me. Combination, oily. Yeah, I'm going to try this tonight. What does this say? So free, it has green clay to help clean out the pores and surface residue while sodium. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to try this tonight. What is next in here? What is next? Let's see, what is this? No, I'll switch. I won't do that one yet. So, Dermalect Cosmeceuticals? I guess that's how you pronounce this. So, this is pretty much an Outcrease Retinol Serum. Let's see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. Nice red bottle. See-through application AM to PM. Apply on clean skin. A drop to each cheek, forehead, chin, and under eyes. So let's read. It targets signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkle, enlarged pores, and uneven skin tone. That's me. Uneven skin tone. My pores is alright. It promotes increased cell turnover and improves the look of congested and UV damaged skin, okay? And results the skin to appear smoother, firmer, brighter, and more rejuvenated. Oh my god. Advanced Strength Serum, suitable for all skin types. This retails for $39. Like I said, I've never tried this, but it is a retinol serum. So, because normally when you mess with retinol, you can't mess with like any other active products. I'm going to have to research that to see if I can play with this with some of my other products. So, the next one is going to be, okay, so this is, make sure I got the correct name. Okay, so this is Generation Skin. It is a hydrating marinade algae eye patch. Where's my scissors? Because it's nicely sealed. It retails for $49.99. Let's see. Come on, open up. Come on, open up. There we go. Let me just cut the plastic there. Again, I'm not trying to have this video too long for my first video back. Y'all be like, girl, you talk too much. Okay, so the marine algae straight from the sea skincare saver dense with vitamins, mineral proteins, and excessive fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around the eyes, it helps firm, smooth, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for a dewier, fresher fresher looking peepers. $49.99. Let's see. Let's open it up. Okay, so it is. Oh, burger. It's so slimy. Y'all can probably see now. It's just so slimy. Slimy. Like I said, I'm gonna try. I'm probably gonna try this when I get out the shower because I might go out. But you can smell the nice algae. Yeah, it's nice. Eye patches are, to me, eye patches are just eye patches. I used eye patches before, but I never really saw a hardcore difference. But it could be that I'm a product junkie and I don't use eye patches enough to really see the results. So I'm gonna give this a try. I wonder if I can use this daily. Probably can. So we got that. So next is gonna be, oh, this is so cute. This is a makeup blending sponge set from M2U NYC. It retails for $20. Look at that. It's real cute, right? It's latex free, super soft. Oh, I thought the little, I'm touched. I thought the little images was actually on the sponges, but they're not. So, open this up. So we have one. Hi. There we go. So we have, like, you know, the good old normal. Good old one. You can use for contour or under eye. Which I use, what I like a little bit for under eye is this one right here. You see it's got the little curve. It hits like perfectly for that under eye. Have one good old stipple if you're using any type for like contour, get it all the way in. And then like the old school for your foundation. So it's a collection of 4 super soft latex 3D blending sponges in variety of shapes to help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. No need to worry about splotchy foundation lines or creasing. Bam! Like I said, it retails for $20. Now, last but not least, this one retails for $16. It is called Billion Dollar Brows. Billion Dollar Brows, y'all. Ugh, it's not focusing, but I could put it right here. Haha. It is cruelty-free as well. What color did they send me? It's in the color of taupe. Taupe, y'all. They sent me taupe. Beggars can't be choosers, but they sent me a taupe. But when precision matters, this brow's on point. Micro brow pencil will help get the look that you want. This precision brow features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want. It can create hair-like strokes for a natural-looking eyebrow. So, again, wait, hold on. This is taupe. Y'all lying to me. This ain't no, this is, I've never seen, so y'all can really see. Look, this is supposed to be taupe. Now, first off, it's real smooth. I mess with pencils that was like a little harder, but baby, that's. Ooh, I got food. I thought it was gonna be, you know, a little lighter than that. Then, you know, it also comes with a little brow back here. But again, that's everything that they sent me for the fantasy box. Again, you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can find them on Instagram, on BoxyCharm as well. Check these products out. Check out all the brands. You know, check them all out. I'll have the list in the description if I remember how to do all that. Remember, everybody, this was a gift for BoxyCharm for an unbiased review / unboxing. Now again, I'm going to try some of these products tonight and let y'all know. Again, I am MystiqueSummers, aka DLSArtistry. Make sure you follow me here. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to be hip and young and use the TikTok. But remember to like, comment, subscribe. Comment below on things that you want to see. Any products that you want to review, that you have your eyes on. Just let me know, okay? I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.